Nice to see you all. Once again, welcome to our video session. In this video session, I am back with one more new topic that is related to joints. Our human body is made up of different types of joints. Those are fibrous joints. They are immovable. Fibrous joints can be seen in our skull. Sutures. The stitchings are sutures. Then second type, cartilaginous joints. These are slightly movable. Then last one, synovial type of joints. These are freely movable. So here one of the synovial type of joint is there on the board in the form of diagram. That is ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. Let's see where these type of joints are present in our human body. Before that, the parts which are present in this: number one, acetabulum; number two, synovial cavity; then number three, articular cartilage; next one, head of femur bone; the last one, synovial capsule. So these are the parts related to this ball and socket joint. It is a type of synovial joint. This ball and socket joint, it can move in any directions. In 360 directions it can be moved. And one more feature, this ball and socket joint, it can be rotated in 360 degrees direction. It can be rotatable, it can be movable in any direction. And here, this bone is called femur, and the femur bone, it has one round shaped structure that is called head of the femur. Commonly we can consider this as a ball, like a ball, cricket ball or football, whatever. Size is the minimum to minimum, not like a basketball. Then this ball structure of femur bone will be fixed in the special cup-like structure of shoulder bone. Shoulder bone, it has cup-like structure, same like in nephron, Bowman's capsule. In this cup-like structure, the head will be fixed. Then these both bones together form or called a type of joint that is called synovial joint. Why? Because it can be movable or rotatable freely. Here, this cup-like structure is called synovial cavity. Here synovial fluid can be observed, and between this cup-like structure and ball or head, articular cartilage is found. That articular cartilage hold this head and cup-like structure together to form joint. Then the fluid, synovial fluid, it helps in the lubrication and rotation purpose and movement purpose. This type of joint commonly we can observe here: shoulder and also hip region, thigh bone fix, head of the thigh bone fixed at the bone of the hip. There also we can be observed this type of ball and socket joint. It is a type of synovial joint. Due to the decreasedness or reduction of this synovial fluid, especially, slowly it leads pain. Then the person may be, chances are there getting joint pains according to age. Many factors are there. This is a major factor in the old age people or elders to get the joint pains especially. I hope everybody understood a small topic. One more joint I shall bring for you in one more video. Signing off, this is Mr. Karthikeyan.